Well, I think I may be done with one of my woodland projects. I didn't know what I was going to cut out of it, but it's just some wood from, yeah, a slat from Dollar Tree. This is one of the knives I used. Actually, this one works very well. And see what my result is. Hey, I even got the swedge in there. Not perfect, but the grain on this piece was curved, so it kept ripping off when I was cutting. And by the time I get said and done, this is what it ended up with. You see this grain structure there, right? It's curved. But I think I might be ready to clear coat it or paint it or something, because I think I'm done. I just got done lightly sanding it, make it look a little bit better. And other than that, it's just been pocket knife, just whittling away. Cool.